Let's now take a look at how to approach drawing eyebrows for manga characters. Now, typically the eyebrows in manga character designs are usually underemphasized. They're not usually very thick, they're not usually very obvious. Now that's the general trend. That's not to say that you can't stylize them in different ways. And a lot of the times they'll appear just as a simple curved line, sometimes over the hair as well, just to reinforce the facial expression. You may also see designs where there are very short front-weighted eyebrows. The great thing about eyebrows is that they're pretty straightforward to draw, and you can really play with the design of them a lot. So in this instance, we have some nice short eyebrow designs. Certain male characters may have very thick eyebrow designs, whether they're just a single shape or they have some weighting in the front of the shape that tapers a little bit back. You can see here that this really has a substantial effect on the look of the character by giving them these nice thick eyebrows. Sometimes you will have nice curved front weighted eyebrows in male or female characters. It's more typical to see thicker eyebrows in male characters than in female characters. So this is very much a young boy type of look, and you can of course do it on girl characters as well. There's not really a hard and fast rule here, but the trend is really that the male characters tend to have thicker eyebrows and the female tends to have thinner. This instance here, we will just do some very short eyebrow lines. And last but not least, we'll add some extra curvature to these eyebrow lines in this girl character and have them wrap around a little bit. This is somewhat atypical to see this particular angled bend in anime style eyebrows, where we have this bend occurring here. But nevertheless, it's your drawing, it's up to you. It should work out just fine if that's what you want to go for. But keep in mind that typically we're seeing very thin eyebrows of the characters, and male eyebrows tend to be a little thicker, but it really is one of those things that this is more of a guideline than a rule. This is the end of the eyebrow lesson.